In this video, we will discuss using the screen lock on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. The screen lock is used to temporarily lock the screen and prevent accidental button presses during cleaning. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Select Screen Lock. To adjust the screen lock times, press the Adjustment function button. Notice a dot appears next to the time indicating the screen is in the adjustment mode. Use the up and down arrows to adjust the time. Note that the time adjusts in 5-second increments. To save the new timing, press and hold the soft key you would like to assign the time to. Notice that the time above the soft key updates to show the newly saved setting. The new time can be assigned to any soft key. Press the Adjustment function button to exit the adjustment mode. To lock the screen for cleaning, press the soft key correlating to the desired lock time. This will lock all buttons on the screen until the timer counts down to 0 and the control pad beeps. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.